We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. And in today's video, we're going to talk about two stocks that are extremely oversold, that have gone into weakness, hit new 52-week lows since they IPO'd, and when we mentioned them and how they've reacted. And the two stocks are STRN and CNTX. We're going to break down everything when they were mentioned in the community, when we caught them, and also how they've reacted since they hit their highs and what I expect moving forward. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors, and we look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with CNTX and STRN. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these were the stocks I mentioned this morning, OCUP and BFRI. Now let's go ahead and see how they performed. So this is OCUP. It was pulling downwards on 42 vision. It was showing weakness. It got that bear indicator, which is an upgrade coming soon to 42 vision on ultimate 42 vision. And it sat sideways, having jumps of 5 to 10%. But on its dip, right after the bell and that rip, it gave us a highest point of 20% plus. That bull indicator came up, and quickly after, as it started transitioning into weakness, that bear indicator popped up. Now BFRI, we caught this one in the middle of its run in the pre-market. It sent that bull indicator since yesterday in the aftermarket hours, and all the way into today it had full strength. We caught this one in the fours, and towards the bell it had already went up nearly 40 to 50%, and through the ups and downs it gave jumps of 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, but its highest point was nearly a 50% plus move, almost reaching 70%, guys. And it sent that bull indicator since yesterday, and it did not send a bear indicator until that transition of weakness into the 650 range, and it started pulling downwards. So if this is something that interests you and you want to get on early with us, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with STRN, and the first day I mentioned it was literally the day after it IPO'd. I was watching how it react. We caught this one in the fours, and it nearly went up 50% plus and 100% from its lows to the highs before pulling downwards. And this is the exciting part about 42 vision. We're also going to look at ultimate 42 vision for you to see here in the charts that when this pops up, it's anticipating a possible reversal. Now, some are stronger than others, and on STRN, we are seeing that it tried here, it wasn't strong enough, and it's finally trying here, and it's trying to transition. Now, if it doesn't come up with enough strength on the 30-minute, what we might see is some consolidation back and forth, but as long as it stays above that 152-week low that was touched down here of 273, that is going to be some strength. Now, if it breaks through it, the opportunity is becoming even larger. It's not guaranteed it's going to get back to the 5s or 6, but the lower it goes, the bigger the opportunity of a possible reversal of anywhere from 20 to 50%, 50 to 100% if things get very exciting and also news and information comes out. Now, why do these stocks move so fast in 2 days to the upside and nearly in 3 to 4 days to the downside? Well, it has to do with its low float and how fast things move with the low float and price per share that this stock has right now. Now, this recently just IPO'd, so there is a lockup period, and that takes about 6 months out. So even catching it around these areas, eventually a reversal, or even if it goes lower, it is going to happen up towards those dates or even before it. So I want investors to understand how important this is. Now, this could get attacked by shorts eventually if it hasn't already, but the low float will allow it to move with certain volatility And even if you don't go ahead and look at it for a long term, there could be some nice moves like it did today from 274 up to 324. And just within those few moves, it went up nearly 20%. So there's plenty of opportunity no matter what trading style you have. But let me share with you guys here what Ultimate 42 Vision is showing. So we see extreme weakness here on 42 Vision, but Ultimate 42 Vision has just sent out a bull indicator. And this is an upgrade coming soon to the 42 Vision tier level. And by joining, you gain access to the weekly watch list, daily watch list, community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. And then on top of that, you get these upgrades that are coming soon and the clarity within the charts when there's weakness and a possible shift into strength. Now, this is on the 30-minute, how things have looked. We just got our first bull indicator. It's confirmed here. We need to see if it can continue. And on the 4-hour, we are going to see how bearish things look. It sent out that bear indicator since up here at 486. It continued to fall, and it's trying to level off here and reverse. That right there is going to be a key indicator if volume continues to pick up. This bull indicator stays to hold true on the 30-minute, and if we see one pop up here on the 4-hour, we could be in a possible point of reversal or some type of hype and speculation driving this up higher. So it's going to be important to be watching this one closely. Do more research on the company. They just recently IPO'd. This turned out to be a home run. 2 days back to back for us over at the community. And if you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below, because this was one of those not too long ago, just a few weeks ago. Now let's talk about the other opportunity that hit a new 52-week low and is trying to bounce off of it, and it's close to it. And let's see what Ultimate 42 Vision and 42 Vision are showing. So here we are with CNTX, and this is a stock that was mentioned several times after it IPO'd on the 21st and 25th, and it nearly went up from $5 all the way up to $8, nearly a 50% plus move as well. Now it's been in a downward trend since, and you can see here the several times that this has actually went into extreme weakness. There have been some bounces. This one didn't go into extreme weakness, but it slightly bounced, and right here it slightly bounced, and right here it slightly bounced. And right now we are on a path where it's actually consolidating. It hit a new 52-week low down here at 441, and then when it IPO'd it was at 432. But super important for every single investor and viewer to be aware of what this company is trying to do and what the indicators are showing. So 42 Vision is showing some strength here as it's trying to consolidate, but if it continues to go in this direction, it might retest those lows or hit new lows. So definitely do more research on the company to understand why there's probably an opportunity here, especially with it being a low float. Now this stock is a biotech stock, so definitely it's going to be more volatile. But let's go ahead and see here on the 30-minute what Ultimate 42 Vision has shown. So when we look at it, look how volatile it is on the 30-minute through the ups and downs. It's given a bull indicator, a bear indicator, bull indicator, bear indicator, same thing over and over again. Right now it's under a bull indicator and it's trying to hold itself up. If it goes right back down, it might send a bear indicator sending weakness. Now let's go ahead and change this to the 4-hour so we can kind of see this a little less volatile, and you could see here how fast it went up, how fast it went down, and it sent a bear indicator since way up here at $5 and some change, and it went all the way down to the 52-week low, bounced back up past that point of 586, no bull indicator popped up, and it's way back here again. So once these specific levels are met, no matter how much up and down, it is stating that it is under a bear indicator or bearish move. So super important to be aware of how powerful this is. Once again, gain access to this by joining the 42 Vision tier level. You gain access to the daily watch list, the home runs we look for every single day, a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, the weekly watch list, and the indicators, the premium indicators that are all coming out. We have 2 premium indicators that are out so far. That is 42 Vision and 42 Vision 2.0. You could see it right here, as you could see when things are going into weakness, when there's some strength, when things are kind of volatile, And the upgrade that is coming soon is the bull and bear indicators. That is Ultimate 42 Vision. We look forward to getting you set up, having you join us and become part of the community. Check out the link down below. Once again, of the Discord, gains you access to everything once you pick 42 Vision tier level. And I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below on these stocks, how you feel about them. Did you know about them? Have you been watching them? And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.